A perfect ping. But what device made that chime? It was a timer going off. A whirling sound from the depths of magic. What tool vibrates with such fury? That was an electric toothbrush. A strange sound slides across stone. What moved with such racket? It was a chair being dragged. A jingle of control and entry. What sound echoed there? That was a set of keys jingling. Something speeding by. But did you catch it? It was a motorbike engine. How many did your ears conquer? Tell us in the comments, then face the full Wizard's test. Link in the description.